What are you doing? Yeah? What do you have to play with there? Did somebody give you a cardboard tube? Oh. What are you going to do with it? Throw it on the floor! Oh, that was exciting. What's going to happen now? You need some more toys? What do you think? Are you looking up at the iPad? Yeah. Is Mama filming you? What do you think? You hear Daddy walking around behind you? What's going on? You're just hanging out, being cute.
I don't know if you start making a coffee starter, but I think it's good.
Okay, Mama's gonna stop recording since there's nothing really exciting going on. We'll record you more later.
Bye.